this is Prajakta. Today's topic is hot air balloon. For this painting, you will need watercolor papers, watercolors, palette, 2 cups of water, spray bottle, brushes and pencil, tissue paper. I am using Thoovi watercolor. Let's sketch our hot air balloon first. Start by drawing a big circle for the balloon's top using any round object. I am using a bangle here. Then draw a rectangle connecting at the bottom to form the balloon's shape. Erase all the extra lines to get the perfect shape. Then add a little rectangle below it for the basket and 2 small lines connecting the basket to the balloon. Feel free to add fun patterns on the balloon like stripes or zigzag. Outline the balloon using a black pen to secure the sketch. I am going to use wet on wet technique to paint the balloon. Now let's pick your favorite colors from the palette. I am starting with blue, yellow and red. Let's apply them gently on the wet surface. Remember to keep the colors light and watery. Paint each section of the balloon with different colors. Once your balloon is done, let's paint a simple sky. Wet the background with clean water. Start with yellow color at the top of the page and gently blend it downwards towards the center. Go slow around the edges of the balloon. Slowly drag the yellow color till the center. After that, take orange color and apply from the bottom and drag till middle to give a nice blend of colors. Here I am going to use a bit darker shade than the orange available in my palette and start blending it with yellow. Once the sky is dry, don't forget to paint tiny hot air balloons with different colors. Now it's time to paint the basket. Let's learn the lifting technique in watercolors. After applying a darker color, you can lift the paint using a damp brush. Dip your brush in water and remove the excess. Now use it to lift the paint gently and lighten the area. This technique can help you fix mistakes and save your painting. After the paint dries, outline the balloon and the basket with a black pen or a sketch pen. This will make everything pop. Don't forget to add little lines for the strings. I am going to add few birds with the help of same black pen to add more beauty to the painting. Hope you had fun painting with me. Share your creations with us on Instagram and do tag us. We would love to see it. If you want to learn more, DM me on Instagram.